If you need more storage on your Xbox One, an external hard drive like this Western Digital My Passport can provide lots more space for your games. The My Passport is available with up to 4 terabytes capacity. This drive is nice and compact and is USB 3, which is a requirement for Xbox One game storage. The Western Digital drives are available in 8 different colors with a dual textured surface. The included cable is USB 3 and is about 12 inches long. Just plug the cable into the My Passport and the back of the Xbox One and it's ready to go. When the drive is first connected to the Xbox, it will ask you how you want to use this device. To store media like music, pictures, and video, it's already ready to use. But if you want to store games and apps on the My Passport, it will need to be formatted first. I'll click on Format Storage Device to format this for games. The drive can be named for easy identification when plugged in. Click Enter to confirm. Now you can choose to have new games and apps installed by default on the external drive or keep them on the internal drive. I'll select Keep Current Location for now. Now click on Format Storage Device to start formatting. It only takes about 6 seconds and it's ready to use. The compact Western Digital My Passport external drive is a great storage solution if you need more space on your Xbox One. It's powered through the USB port, so there's no power cable needed. The 1 terabyte model starts at $50 and goes up to the 4 terabyte drive for about $100. I've listed the different models in the description so you can check out the current pricing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Queue, for more how-to videos and product reviews.